Luma Labs just introduced their latest innovation, the Dream Machine, on their platform. The Dream Machine is a powerful tool designed to help creators generate stunning animated videos with ease. Let's check it out.
I'm lost in shadows, afraid to chase the light. Insecurities hold me in the stillness of the night. Tears of yesterday leave marks upon my skin.
Ever wondered how you can create stunning AI animated music videos just like this? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the fascinating world of AI animation, specifically focusing on creating your own AI animated music video. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create amazing music animations just like the one we showed at the beginning. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Image generation with Leonardo AI. The first step in creating our animated music video is generating the base image. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI. It's an incredibly powerful tool for generating high-quality images with detailed prompts. Let's get started. Head over to Leonardo AI and sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Once you're in, click on Image Creation and enter the following prompt. A 2D cartoon full body of a 21-year-old black girl oriented slightly to the left with pretty African American features, cute brown curly hair in a bun, sitting alone in a neatly organized room looking at the microphone. Then hit Generate. Leonardo AI will process your request and generate stunning images based on your description. View the images generated and select the image of your choice. This image will serve as the foundation for our animated music video. Put in mind that you might need to generate different variations to animate. Step 2. Video generation with Luma Lab. Now that we have our base image, it's time to bring it to life with Luma Lab. Luma Lab is perfect for transforming static images into dynamic videos. They have a free and paid plan with different perks, so check to see which suits your need. Let's see how it works. So you start by uploading your generated image to Luma Lab. Once uploaded, use this prompt. A 2D cartoon full body of a 21-year-old black female with pretty African American features, brown curly hair in a bun, sitting on a sofa with leg crossed, playing guitar and singing. No drastic movements, zoom in gradually and gently on the character. Then hit Generate Video. Luma Lab will take your image and create a smooth animated video based on your prompt. This is where the magic really happens. You will need to generate different variations to make up the scenes for your video, just like we have done here. Step 3. Music generation with Suno AI. Every great animated video needs an inspiring soundtrack. For this, we'll use Suno AI. Suno AI allows you to create original music with ease. Let's dive in. First, sign up for a free tutorial on Suno AI. To get started, you can explore songs others have created for inspiration. You can also use Explore button to see different styles people have created. When you're ready, click on Create and enter the following prompt. I would like to create inspirational music sung by a 21-year-old girl about overcoming fear, insecurities, and heartbreak. An inspirational ballad that starts softly, then builds to a climax. Lyrics focusing on overcoming heartbreak and finding inner strength to move on, and believing in oneself. It should be sung by a 21-year-old girl playing guitar. Then click Create. Two variations will be created for you. Listen to the generated music and pick the one that resonates most with your animation. Let's go with this. Download your chosen track to use in the next step. Step 4. Video lip sync with Pika AI. To make our animated video even more realistic, we need to sync the character's lips with the music. Pika AI is perfect for this task. It has a free and paid plan, so you go through the pricing options to select the one that suits your need. Let's get started. Upload your video from Luma Lab and your music from Suno AI to Pika AI. Pika will ask you to clip your audio to match the length of the video. So you adjust accordingly and click generate. Let Pika AI do its magic. Just wait a few seconds. Here we go. Okay. So with Pika AI, our character will now appear to be singing along perfectly with the music. So you just go through the same process with the rest of the videos or the rest of the scenes that we created. Now, step 5, video editing with Canva. Now it's time to add the final touches to our animation. We'll use Canva for video editing. You can also use CapCut or any other video editing software of your choice. So once you've logged into your Canva account, you click on video. Click the upload button in order to upload your synced video to Canva. Next, you drop the video to your timeline in the order that it should be. After that, you can add text, transitions, and any other effects you want. Let's add a few transitions to this. There are several options you can choose from, so just explore and select whichever one suits the need of your animation video. So here we go, we just select a few. And once you're happy with the edits, you download the video. For a final polish, you can use CapCut to upscale your video, ensuring it looks its best. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create stunning AI-generated animated music videos that have lucrative potential. The AI tools we use today are evolving fast, making it easier than ever to create professional quality content. Remember, staying updated with these tools is key to maximizing your creative potential and income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials like this. Happy animating!